Am I the only one that didn't know the iPhone 15 Pro Max could do this? Let's dive into the future, shall we? Welcome to another quick tech tour with your favorite watermark, Rafi360 Official. Today we're exploring the sleek and shiny new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Right off the bat, the design, stunning. Apple has really outdone themselves this time with a titanium frame that's both lighter and stronger than ever. Now let's talk camera. The Pro Max boasts a triple lens system that practically reads your mind with AI-enhanced photography. Dark photo at a party? Say no more. Your iPhone's already fixed the lighting before you hit snap. But here's the kicker: battery life. We're looking at a 2-day battery life under normal use. Yeah, you heard that right. 2 whole days. And with the new eco-friendly fast charging, you're powered up quicker and greener. And for my fellow tech aficionados, the A17 chip in this beauty means performance is smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just endlessly scrolling, the iPhone 15 Pro Max keeps up without breaking a sweat. So, is it worth the hype if you're asking me? Absolutely. For more tech insights and updates, don't forget to like and follow Rafi360 Official. Catch you in the next one.